and all that. So I kind of have. I'm not being paid to say this. I'm just telling you, like from my own experience. So
mirror, mirror, mirror. The Bible tells me says yes, you're gonna have towel, you're gonna have a cool room tour.
it's cold, and I'm not here in the afternoon.
Okay, this is the wardrobe. Practically, this is what I use as a laundry basket. I don't know why they kept it here. Maybe they kept it for us to keep clothes or what.
Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to today on Princess Anu TV, and yes, we are live in South Africa. So okay guys, it occurred to me that I've not given you a room tour, so I'm going to be doing that right now. So follow me to my room. Yep. So I have this in front of my room. This is welcome to my abode. Let's do it. Yeah. So guys, this is my room, and I'm going to be giving you a cool room tour of this beautiful room. First of all, I have two beds in this room. I have my stuff there because I'm preparing to go out. Firstly, like, see the whole environment. It's welcoming. It's really welcoming. When you come, you see all these paintings and designs on the wall. It's enough to be like, come on, you're gonna have a wonderful night rest and all that. And I have this heater because most of the time it's cold, so I use this heater sometimes. Anyways, nobody sleeps here because I sleep here. So I have this locker which I put most of my stuff here. I've emptied that already. I really understand because at night is cold, in the morning it's cold, and I'm not here in the afternoons most of the time. And as you can see, this bed is really big, very big. I think it can even serve 2 people. So that's what I was enjoying. Something else I want to show you is the wardrobe. Yeah, this is me. Boom, set to go. Okay, this is the wardrobe. Cool, you have hangers in there. So I came from Nigeria with hangers anyways. I came with hangers from Nigeria, but I don't think there's any need for you to come with hangers because you already have hangers here. And this is the laundry basket. So whenever I come back from school, I put my stuff in there, and I know that, okay, these ones are dirty and they need washing. So practically, this is what I use as a laundry basket. I don't know why they kept it here. Maybe they kept it for us to keep clothes or what, but I use it as a laundry basket. And now there's this other part. Yeah. So this other part I want to show you. Yeah, I was keeping my provisions here. What was I keeping here? I think toiletries also. Okay, provisions. I think some clothes I wasn't using, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 steps, but the last step I kept my shoes in there. Next step, I think I kept my some of my clothes and all, and I kept my provisions and all. So you can actually stack your things in there, and they are going to be looking nice and cool. And yes, guys, I won't forget to tell you that you got a TV here. Yes, I think I put on this TV like twice or so because I'm not really a TV person. I prefer to watch YouTube than watch TV. But anyways, let me just put it on because of you. Okay, so you got a TV here. I think we should put this off. These kind of things I like to watch most of the time, but I don't really watch much of TV. So if you're a TV person, you got a TV, and I think you're going to enjoy that. Next is what? Another thing you're going to be having is this. You're going to be having a microwave. Okay, back this stuff. You're going to be having a microwave in the room, which you can use at, of course, you know how a microwave looks like. I don't have to open it. Which you can always use. Then
They keep this, please make up the room, or please do not disturb. Funny enough, do you know, this is the first time I'm saying this, please make up the room. But this please don't disturb, this is what I always had in front. But actually I needed them to clean my room all the time, so I didn't have to put this please don't disturb. So I just left it. Every time I went out, they always came to clean the room. Of course, you know, this is nose mask season, so you're going to be seeing nose masks like everywhere. You still have another painting here. Then you have the dining area. Okay, this safe, I don't think it works. I don't know if it works, but I never used it anyways. I kept my things safe myself. Then you got a mini coffee area where you have your stuff like tea, coffee, sugar, milk, and all that. So you got it there. And you're also going to be getting an electric iron if you need it. Also going to have your an electric kettle, because obviously you need to boil water to eat. Like I boiled water to make eba sometimes, because I had this place I bought Nigerian food, so I made eba by myself. If I felt okay, the semo was not like nice enough, then you have this big fridge. See this guy, this fridge is really big. So this is the freezer part and this is the fridge part, and I maximize this really well, because most of the time, yeah, I maximize it really well, because most of the time I bought food and kept in the freezer, then I use the microwave to kind of warm it up, so it kind of helps me, like I can eat anything I want to eat at any time. So I always had that in the freezer and used like the fridge. Another part I want to show you, which you are always going to love having a room like this, it's the view area. Come on, let me take you there. Now, see this view. Like, okay, you can actually put this so that you don't, like, you know, have the view, but you can, you know, get this going, because we need the view. And see the view at the back. Okay, let me show you a nicer part. Oh, you just wake up in the morning and you go and you see this, and there's always a very nice rabbit that is always coming to, will I say, check up on me? Okay, this beautiful rabbit is always coming to my corner. Rabbit. Anyways, this is the outward view. Like seriously, that rabbit is always coming towards this area. I'm going to be showing you now because I had to record the rabbit. It's always coming to this area, like to look like, who is there and all that. So I kind of have this view which was really cool. Okay, it's not here, it always comes towards this area. So guys, this is how my room looks like. Another very important part I'd like to show you, you can obviously sit here with your friends. Oh, hope you're enjoying this room tour, because just in case you're coming to South Africa and you're thinking of where to stay, I think this is a nice place. I'm not being paid to say this, I'm just telling you, like, from my own experience. The place is cool, the place is nice, it's quite affordable, and you're gonna have a good experience. And look at this place. Let me show you this place, guys. Assume you're coming for a couples hangout or something. This place is so cool. Like, you sit down, you discuss inspiration. Also, I'm thinking like a lot of inspiration and all you're gonna get from here. And these other things that we as ladies we love so much. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Mirror, 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 mirror. Who is the cutest one on the wall? Obviously, me. Yeah, so I had practically 3 mirrors, because I have this here. I have the one at the wardrobe, which I just showed you. And I have this one in the toilet. Let me show you. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. So okay, this is the toilet. It looks so good. I kept this. This is a what do they call this again now? Washer or something. No, liquid soap. Yeah, that's the one, liquid soap, but the one that is locally produced and all of that. So I always had it here to wash plates and all on my own convenience. Yes, you're gonna have towel. You're gonna have the toilet, and yeah, you're gonna have the bedroom. It's not a bath top. It's just like the bedroom kind that is demarcated and all. So that's it for the bedroom. So guys, this is all you have for my room. And yo so welcome to my room in South Africa. Peace out, guys.